Hey guys, how's it going? Casbar072 here. I've had a request on how to make your own custom UR sounds for your iPhone. So that's what this video is going to be about. If you want like different sound effects or whatever, you can download them free from Google. Just put in free sound effect downloads or whatever like that, and you can find a whole heap of free ones to download. So once you've picked the sounds you want, save them onto your desktop and just name them what you want. You then need to drag them into iTunes. So I'll just open my iTunes up. Okay, so my first sound is just like a laser sound. I'll just find it. Okay, so first of all, if it's like a really long sound and you want it shorter, to make it shorter, just right click and go to Get Info, then go to Options, and here you can put in a start time, a stop time. Mine's only like 2 seconds something, so yeah, I'm just going to keep it as. Okay, you then need to right click again and see how it says here, create AAC version. You need to actually change the settings of your iTunes. Don't worry, you can always change it. So to do that, go to Edit, go down to Preferences, click here, Import Settings, and up here, click the arrow down, and go down to AIFF encoder. Click on that and just click OK. And click OK again. Okay, so now that you've done that, just make sure you do that to all the sounds you've just dragged into your iTunes. Now that you've done that, you right click and now it'll have create AIFF version. So click on that and that will make another version in AIFF. So drag the new version onto your desktop. And I'll just do that for my other sound. My other sound's just like a cash register sound. And there it is there. So right click, go down to AIFF. Okay, so now you've got your sounds in. Okay, so now you've got your sounds in AIFF. You need to make a new folder and name it what you want. And this is the name that will show up in your Winterboard. I'm just going to write my custom sounds. Then open up that new folder and make a new one again inside of it. And name it UI Sounds. Okay, the first 3 letters need to be capital. So make sure they're capital. And then the rest just lower cases. So the U, I, and S have to be capitals. Okay, then open up that folder. And you need to drag your AIFF version sounds into the UI sounds. Okay, so now you've got your folder. You named it what you want. Inside you've got your UIS sounds with the UIS in capitals. Click on that and there are your AIFF sounds. Okay, now you need to SSH into your iPhone. If you don't know how to SSH, I've got a link of one of my videos on how to do that in the description also. Okay, so once you've SSH'd into your iPhone, you need to click the folder up here, click the arrow down, and go to var, V-A-R. Then double click stash, and here you will see themes. Drag your folder into themes, click copy, then open up themes, and try and find that folder that you just put in. Okay, there's mine, my custom sounds. Open the folder up, double click UR sounds, and here you need to rename. I've only got 2 sounds, so I'm just showing the demonstration for the lock and unlock sound. But in the video description, I will put all the names of all the other UR sounds, like every single sound for the iPhone. So for lock and unlock, you need to rename it to, if you want your lock sound. Actually, I'll do this one, unlock. Okay, I'm going to do the laser for unlock. Unlock.caf. And for your lock sound, you have to name it lock.caf. And yeah, once again, I've got all the names for every single iPhone sound you can think of. I've got all the names in the video description. I'm just showing you the unlock and lock. Okay, so now they've been renamed, we'll move on to my iPhone. So on your iPhone, go into settings, and go to Winterboard. And there's my folder there. So just click it and respring. Okay, so that was the laser sound, the unlock sound. Now I'll show you the lock sound. So I'll just do that one more time. And the lock sound. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe.